Welcome to your new home. So glad you could make it out today. So this is a beautiful home built in 2000. It's bluestone construction, Terra Lynn model. You'll notice there's a lot of architectural design features, the pretty decorative transom windows, the decorative columns throughout. You've got some beautiful light fixtures, crystal light fixtures and chandeliers. This house is almost 3,500 square feet of living area. There's an office with double French doors to the left of the entry. We've got French doors leading out to the pool. And then on the left side of the house, we have the pool bath. This is the hallway that leads to the pool bath and to the master bedroom. A nice walk-in shower there. So if you did need a fourth bedroom, the office is positioned almost directly across from that pool bath, so it would function well as an additional bedroom. We've got a French door off the master out to the pool. Look at the space in this master bedroom. You've got the plant shelves with lights above. We have two walk-in closets in this master bedroom. This house has two air conditioning units, so you can be more efficient with how you're cooling the house. The master side of the house is one, and then on the other side of the house we have the other unit. The master bathroom has the tub, has the water closet, has a huge walk-in shower, two vanities, and a linen closet. So we'll go back through the formal living room and dining room area, and you will see this gorgeous newly updated kitchen. So you've got both the formal areas in this house, as well as you have the open concept kitchen and family room area. So this kitchen was just updated with brand new granite countertops, has new stainless steel appliances. You notice the under cabinet lighting that illuminates that beautiful subway backsplash tile, nice mosaic decorative tiles, a huge pantry, and a very generously sized laundry room with a nook for another refrigerator. You can never have too many refrigerators. And then this design, I think, is spectacular with this entertaining bar area, so that when you have guests, it's very easy to serve your guests, and you're still part of the fun and festivities even while you're serving. And then this has a pocket door that leads to the guest hallway. Two guest bedrooms, Jack and Jill style. You have a nice bathroom setup with a separate tub, shower, and toilet separated from the sink area. Second bedroom. Corner windows are always nice, so you have more options where you put your bed. And with this setup, you can either walk around the hallway into the family room area, or you can go through the bar area to get to the guest bedrooms. Beautiful eat-in kitchen area that overlooks the pool with the seamless window. French doors again, out to the pool deck. And this is a self-cleaning, heated, in-ground pool. Lots of deck space. And you have a wooded back area for extra privacy. This is a 1.06 acre lot. There's an extra parking pad for the motorhome, and a 12 by 24 shed with 12 by 12 attic space above. So again, lots of storage in this house. Walking around to the side of the house, the garage area, you'll see that the garage has the screen. So if you want to open up your garage and just work in the garage, you can you can do that and be comfortable with the screened in space. I'm going to take you back in and we'll go into the garage so you get a peek at that, and that will finish up our tour. Are you familiar with Pine Ridge Estates and this area? So Pine Ridge Estates is our equestrian and golf community on the Nature Coast of Florida. And this community has a lot of amenities for everyone. The big unique aspect is the equestrian part. So we have a large community barn that's co-op boarding. So if you have horses, you can have a 2-year lease at the barn while you set up your property for your own horses. There are multiple riding arenas for different disciplines. We have a trail ring, we have a regulation dressage arena. We do have a cross country course. We have a hunt course for jumpers. We have a lighted main arena, and we have 28 miles of horseback riding trails. So if you're not into horses, we also have a community clubhouse. We've got pool tables, we have tennis courts, we have shuffleboard, we have an RC flying field, we have a sub shop and pizza shop and an ice cream shop. And then we have the golf course with a pro shop and a nice golf options if you're a golfer. So this community has a lot, and then of course this area of Florida, the Nature Coast, is all about enjoying water activities and nature. So there's a lot of options for outdoors activities, whether it's kayaking, boating and fishing, hiking on the trails. I mean, you name it, we have it outdoors. So there's tons to do here. But very peaceful, not heavily populated and congested like some of the nearby large cities. So really nice place. So I hope you're considering this, and I'm your Realtor on Demand, Ruth Squires, 352-476-3303. So call me with anything that I can be doing for you. Ruth Squires, Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We're not the same. Have a great day.